Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and foolproof way to invite guests to Microsoft Teams in 2025. Whether you're collaborating with clients, vendors, or partners, this guide will make sure your external guests can join your teams seamlessly. So let's dive in. Understanding guest invitations. First, let's quickly talk about why guest invitations matter. Inviting guests allows you to extend collaboration beyond your organization. This means clients, vendors, or any external partners can access channels, chat, and collaborate without needing an internal account. It's a secure and efficient way to work with people outside your organization. Access Microsoft Teams. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams login page. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your Teams channels and settings. Find the Community tab next. Look for the Community tab. This is your central hub for managing teams and channels. Click on it to access the area where you can manage members and send invitations. Initiate the invitation within the Community tab. Find and click the Invite People button. This will open the guest invitation interface where you can add the external collaborators you want to join your teams. Enter guest details. Now, in the designated field, type the email address or phone number of the guest you want to invite. Make sure to double check for typos because even a small mistake can prevent the invitation from reaching the right person. Accuracy here is key. Send the invitation. Finally, click the Invite button. Microsoft Teams will send a formal invitation with instructions on how to join directly to the guest's email or phone. Once they accept, they'll have access to the channels and content you've shared with them. And that's it. Inviting guests to Microsoft Teams is quick, simple, and a great way to collaborate beyond your organization. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 Microsoft Teams tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.